Hey guys, welcome back to Beer Reviews with the BeerSarge. Well, we were looking at doing an on-location beer review at Sawmill, and in a sense we did that. We went to Sawmill, we did some beer, didn't do a lot of reviewing, but anyway, what we've got, I've edited out, and let's see how this turns out. Hey guys, welcome back to Beer Reviews with the BeerSarge. Well, we're at fucking Sawmill Brewery today. We've got a windy sort of a day. It's a bit sort of pissy with the fucking rain, but got myself a tasting tray. Alright, let's start off with the Super Delic. Oh, that's fucking nice, eh? That's fucking nice. So it's a Super Delic from Sawmill. That's pretty good. I must say we've been here for a couple of hours now, and service has been great. Food's been fucking awesome. Weather's pretty shit, but we're inside, so it doesn't really matter. Yeah, great day. Great place to come for fucking like work do type thing, which is what we're here for. Work do type thing. Number 3 is the Rewalker. Now this, I know, is fucking outstanding. I'm going to have a taste. Oh, I tell you, if you're looking for a decent Sawmill or a decent brew to fucking try, you want to try that Rewalker from Sawmill. It is just fucking outstanding. So these tasting fucking trays are $22 and you get 560 mils worth of beer in each one. Bloody awesome. Like, what a value. That's fucking great value. Yeah, can't beat that. You can beat this wind, it's really fucking me off, but hey, life is such. Alright, so that's the Rewalker. Rewalker's fucking outstanding. So I've had 3 really awesome ones. The Super Delic, fucking really good. The You Do You, excellent. Rewalker, probably my favourite so far is the Rewalker. Really, really good. So we're going to change it up and we're going to have a crack at this pineapple sour. I'm not a fan of sours, as you know, but we'll give this a fucking blast. Alright, here we go. Alright, that's fucking sour as. Nelson Sauvin is the next one. This is, I think they're an IPAs. This is a Nelson Sauvin, showcasing the Nelson hops. Alright, let's have a crack at this one. Oh my god, that is like the fucking redeemer. Man, that is good. That is good, yeah, it's good. Alright, so that Nelson Sauvin is fucking outstanding. Let's do a bit of a ranking. So I've got the Super Delic. Obviously this one is at fucking 0. That's fucking terrible. No, but I don't like sours, so it might be someone else's fucking taste. So we've got the Super Delic, we've got the You Do You, we've got the Rewalker and the Nelson Sauvin. For my money, which is, worth fuck all, but worth the same as yours, I would go Rewalker first, Super Delic as in number 2. I'd probably put the Nelson Sauvin in 3, and You Do You I'd put that in 4th place, and that pineapple sour can just fuck right off. It's been fucking great. So 10 out of 10 for Sawmill. Apart from your pineapple sour, which can fuck right off. There you go. There is another. Well, there's the very first on location at a brewery beer review from BeerSarge.